Alrighty, boys and girls. So, sorry the videos haven't been coming out. I haven't had a chance to actually take a video. So here's what we're gonna be doing today. I saw a video, and what I plan on doing is all of this stuff. Hopefully, I can get that thing up there back to running, ready to go. I gotta get tire pulled off. I gotta get the battery ready to go. I might have to switch some wiring up in it, and hopefully we can get that on the road. Get the wiring figured out with the whole light situation, because that's the reason why I got rid of the white truck, or I stopped using, I should say. When you turn on your dash lights, which are your running lights, and all that extra stuff, it pops a fuse. I'm pretty sure there's a wire somewhere, probably up there somewhere, that's broke. So I gotta get that figured out, get the tire and the battery put in it, and then we should be able to use that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lop this off, make it flat. There's a hole. We're gonna go right at the edge of that hole, and we're gonna make sure that this will fit in there without having to punch holes in that bed or anything. So we'll get to it, and I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Alrighty, boys and girls. So, I didn't really have time to spray or record all the spray painting because I did it really late at night before I went to bed to go to work. So, I'm going to show it to you real quick. So, it's not done. I gotta get that off. I don't know where that even came from, but it's going to get one more coat. But I think it looks a hell of a lot better this way. So, yeah. But one more coat and she'll be done. It's going to look just like that, except without that black mark. So, I want your guys' opinion. I want it really bad, okay? I think it's a great idea, but we'll see. So, what do you guys think about painting these and the hood this color? I mean, honestly, I want you guys to tell me what you think. I think it'll look good. So, you tell me. Just put it in the comments. So, we should have another video pretty soon. I have a couple more projects that we got to get done. We're going to start a whole series of building the white truck, getting everything ready to go. And then we can sell this truck and hopefully hit the pipeline eventually. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos. If you like it, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share all the videos. I hope you guys have a great night. I'll talk to you later.